How to create AI wallpapers using Mage Space. First, open your web browser and go to mage.space. Then sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the mage.space homepage, click inside the prompt box. Now type a detailed description of the wallpaper you want to create. For example, type a beautiful mountain landscape at sunrise with a crystal clear lake, colorful flowers, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, 4K wallpaper. Before generating your image, choose an appropriate aspect ratio. Select a portrait ratio if you're creating a mobile wallpaper, or a landscape ratio if you're making a desktop wallpaper. If the option is available, choose your preferred AI model and image quality settings. Next, click the Generate button. Mage.space will create several AI wallpaper options based on your prompt. Review the generated wallpapers and click on the one you like best. If you want a different style, simply edit your prompt and generate another version. Finally, click the Download button to save your wallpaper and set it as your desktop or phone background. That's it! You've successfully created an AI wallpaper using Mage.